Hey, hey, hey. Okay, we are moving on to present progressive negative. I want to point out, this is important, we're still in present tense, right? So we're in the kind of like the now and the today. We're just working on something called the progressive, which means something that is ongoing, happening right now in the moment. And we are going to look at how to say that in the negative. So let's look first at the simple present of the verb to be in the affirmative. In the affirmative, we say I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. And then we know for the negative, we use the same conjugation, I am, you are, etc., and we just add not on the end. So we get I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, you are not, they are not. Okay. So in the simple, in the affirmative progressive, we use a subject and then we use the verb to be plus ing. This is our verb right here, right? It's our progressive form of the verb. And the verb to be agrees with the subject. So we get, for example, right now, in this moment, he, subject pronoun, is eating, verb. And then the he agrees with the verb to be, he is eating. And the affirmative right now, she is running. This is our verb, right? This is our verb. She is running. And the form of to be agrees with the subject pronoun. Right now, I am teaching. And the form of to be agrees with the subject. And this is our verb right here, am teaching, correct? Okay. For the negative, we follow the same rules as to be. That not goes right after the subject and the verb to be. So in the case of the present progressive, we are splitting the verb. We have to put it right in the middle of the verb, right? If we consider the verb to be this right here, right? This is the verb in a present progressive sentence. It's a two-word verb, the verb to be and the ing form. We split the verb. We put the not right here in the middle. So it's the subject plus the to be verb plus not, and then the ing. So we're splitting the verb. Okay, so let's look at how that works. Right now, here's our subject, here's our verb, and then we put that not right in the middle. See, we're splitting the verb because these two things here are the verb, right? Is sleeping is the verb. So we have he is not sleeping. She, here's my verb, is walking, and then we put the not in the middle. She is not walking. I, my subject, my verb, am not sleeping. So let's look at these. Let's see. Let's look at these right next to each other. So here we have the affirmative. This column is the affirmative, and this column is the negative, right? So here we have I am studying right now. I am not sleeping right now. I'm studying. I am not sleeping. Right here we have she is drinking water. She is not drinking milk. Oops. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Here we have, we are running. We are not walking. They are eating pizza. They are not eating salad. He is singing. He is not dancing. You are cleaning. You are not cleaning. I don't know why that's the same verb. This one says, they are baking, they are not cooking. Okay, so that's how we go from the affirmative to the negative. Remember, these two things, I wonder if I can make, let me see if I can make a green highlighter. Yeah. Okay, so here's the verb, right? Here's the verb, the two-word verb, and we have to split it with the word not. Right? Our verb is two words, the verb to be and the ing form. Right? Do you see how we just split right down the middle of it? Okay, and let's look at the contractions. So the contractions work the same as the verb to be. There's no difference. So we can have I'm not sleeping. So we make the contraction here between I plus am. We get rid of this A and we get I'm, right? We can have I'm not sleeping. She's not drinking milk. We're not walking. They're not eating. He's not dancing. You're not cleaning. They're not cooking. Okay? The other way to make the contraction is to contract with the negative. In to be, we can't change it, right? I mean, in I, we can't change it. It's the same, right? We don't say I amn't. We only say I'm not. But here, instead of contracting the she and the is, we're contracting the is and the not, right? Is plus not. We get rid of the O, the vowel, and we make isn't, right? So she isn't, we aren't walking, they aren't eating salad, he isn't dancing, you aren't cleaning, they aren't cooking. And this is just like the same contraction rules from the regular verb to be. Nothing different. Nothing at all, right? Because we can have oopsies, hold on. Here we can have I am tall. I am not tall, right? So we can say I'm tall or I'm not tall. Same as this column right here. And over here, we could say he is tall. He is not tall. And we can say two different ways. We can say the contraction. We can say he isn't tall, or he's not tall. Same as it ever was, okay? No difference. And then I want to show you one more slide. I want to remind you about the difference between the simple present and the simple present progressive. The simple present and the present progressive. So here we have every day, right? This is habitual every day. Every day I wake up. Every day I eat breakfast. Every day I go to work, right? So these are things that we do every day habitually, and we use the simple present. So we can say, I study every day. They work every day. She swims every day. Okay, so we can say all of those things. But then we want to talk about the negative present progressive, right? So I study every day at some point, maybe in the morning, maybe in the afternoon, maybe at night. I study every day, but right now in this moment, I am not studying. And remember, we're splitting the verb. Right now, I am not studying. We could say they work every day, right? They work every day from 6:30 to 6 p.m., right? 6:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. But it's 9, let's say it's 8 p.m. right now, right? They work every day from 6:30 a.m. to 6 p.m., but they are not working right now. It's 8 p.m. They are not working right now. Okay? She swims every day. She swims, but right now in this moment, she is not swimming. Okay, so that's the difference between simple present and present progressive. This is in the moment. And this is habitual. Every day. Okay? All right, guys. That's my present progressive negative video, and there is lots of practice for you in the work packet that I sent in the mail and also on liveworksheets.com. And so that's it. That's all I got for you.